name is Kudzanai Chiparaushe. I'm the captain for Correctional Queens. We are looking forward to participate in the hard tournament next week. So as the captain, I'm very excited, and as the team, we are excited also because this tournament is going to give us a platform to showcase our talent. It is going to give us a platform to showcase our teamwork and the dedication of the team against the very best teams in Zimbabwe. And also, it's not just about the competition, but also about empowering women, the girl child. So, ndongoda kutenda Prophet Magaya, the leadership and the organizers, nekuunza such a tournament, because zviri kusimudzira vasikana at the same time zviri kuchitibvisa kuzvinhu zvakaita sema-drugs, ma-teenage pregnancies. So tinoda kungovatenda vaMagaya, and kumasupporters angu ndoda kungovatenda for supporting us as a team. Their support, their belief in us ndozvinotipusha kuti tive patiri nhasi. So ndongoda kuvakurudzira kuti vauye kuzotisapota patinenge tichitamba, even pachaitwa ma-live streaming vakwanise kuonawo, because ndivo vanotipa simba. This tournament is not just for us, but tiri kutambira ivo. So ndikungovapromisa kuti as we play, every minute of the game we are going to fight for them, not just for us. And the camp, Mukembi, the morale is high. The excitement is just electric. You can feel the electricity, the air. The team is just focused. We are takatomirira game ratononoka kusvika. Everyone is scared. Kumira udzidza from mamwe edu, because we are kusangana nema teams, best teams, nema best players ese. So tatongomirira, tatononokera.